Today we're gonna make cheesy garlic breadsticks. For it, all the ingredients are shown on your screen. So, at first take half cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon each of sugar and yeast, and mix it well. Now let the mixture set. Take some salt and plain flour. Now mix it well. Now add yeast mixture in it, and we are gonna knead the dough. Add 1/4 cup of oil in it and knead the dough well by using water. Now our dough is combined. Take it out on a slab. We are gonna need 1/8 cup of oil. Add the oil gradually in the dough and knead it well for 15 to 20 minutes. Knead the dough in the manner I am kneading it. Now grease the bowl. Tuck the dough in and put it in a bowl. Apply some oil on the top and cover it with the help of cling wrap. Let the dough rest for about 2 hours. Now take about 100 grams of paneer, some chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, oregano, chili flakes and mixed herbs. Mix it well. Now let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now our dough has been resting for 2 hours. Take the dough out and divide it into 2 equal halves. Now spread some cornmeal on the slab and roll the dough. It should not be too thick or too thin. Now spread mayonnaise, tomato sauce on the dough. Now add cheese spread and spread it nicely. Add marinated paneer pieces in it and add cheese spread nicely on the top. Now add mozzarella cheese on the top and fold the dough base. Now grease the baking tray nicely and put the dough base on the baking tray. Seal the edges nicely with the help of a fork and mark the sections with the help of a knife. Now spread some butter and garlic mixture on the top. Now spread some oregano, some mixed herbs and some chili flakes on the top. Now we are gonna bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Our cheesy garlic breadsticks are ready. Serve it hot.